Going over to my friend David's house. Got some food and beer and everything. So, knocking on the door now. Hope he's not in his underwear. Oh, it smells like cat piss in here, dude. What are you doing?
I'm getting ready to take it out.
Well, say hi to everybody.
Hello. How you doing?
That's a cat. Did you pee too much in your box? Did you pee too much in your box?
Yeah.
Hey! Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Up. You sit up for everybody? That's Cuddles. It smells like piss in here.
I know.
So, gotta take care of the litter box.
Yeah. Okay. Din din. Din din served. Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna throw up. That's disgusting.
Well, I'm getting it done. Okay? So you won't have to worry. Damn these kids. They're shit machines. I can have 2 people. It takes 2 people to do this shit. Oh, good grief. Damn it. Oh my God. What are you doing?
That's on the table. Get off.
It's on the table or under? Under the table.
No, on the table. She's sniffing at my shit. There's the food that I put on the table. Get down, Cuddles. Get down. Cuddles, get off the table.
Get her. Smack her ass. I'm getting rid of this stuff. Fucking bag. I'm getting this shit all over this fucking sport.
So glad it's not me doing this. I really am, folks.
I get to do it.
Yeah. I'm allergic to cats. I can't.
I know. I got it. I got that much. Alright. I think I got all this shit out. All the shit's out. Maybe I should take off the whole thing. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, scoop this. Yeah, clean this place up.
I'm gonna throw up again.
You did?
No, I'm going to.
Well, I'm trying to work as fast as I can. Get away from here, then. Aw, man. And all over the fucking floor. Get away.
No, I can't do this anymore. Oh.
Get away from me.
Once came over to my friend's house to have some Chinese and some other stuff, and I walked in, and his house is filled. Smells like cat ammonia. I'm gonna get back to you guys in a little while if I don't throw up. Catch you guys later. Bye.